Have you ever wondered what the difference between essential oils and aromatherapy is? Why do I smell lavender and I feel relaxed? Why, when I smell lemon, I feel refreshed? My name's Jodie from Balance Me Happy. Come join with me on the essential oils journey and we'll discover these things together.
Have you ever wondered what the difference is between aromatherapy and essential oil? Have you ever used essential oils? That is okay. Although it has been used for centuries, they have predominantly been used in India, China, Egypt, Greece, and Italy. Considering our country is relatively young compared to these, you may not have knowingly come across them. Although, you may be surprised to know that essential oils are in a lot of our day-to-day products we buy, from medicines to shampoos. I am a kinesiologist and Reiki healer, and essential oils plays an important role in my healing sessions. So come join me in a discovery journey of what is aromatherapy and essential oils from a healer. What is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy and essential oil are very closely connected. From Wikipedia, it says aromatherapy is based on the usage of aromatic materials, including essential oils and other aroma compounds, with claims for improving psychological or physical well-being. Aromatherapy is thought of as both an art and a science. Recently, aromatherapy has gained more recognition in the fields of science and medicine. Studies on the effectiveness of aromatherapy is limited, but some studies show that aromatherapy might have health benefits, including relief from anxiety and depression, improved quality of life, particularly for people with chronic health conditions, and improved sleep. Although science is awesome, and it definitely has its place, I studied advanced science, it definitely cannot prove some things. Depending on the ailments and what essential oils are used on the patient, aromatherapy shows a lot of surprising results and is definitely worth a try. What are essential oils made of? The term essential oils is often used interchangeably with the term aromatherapy oil. However, aromatherapy oil are not always essential oils. Essential oils are made of the purest form of plant extract that has been distilled from the leaves, bark, roots, flowers, or other parts of a plant. Essential oils are natural products obtained from the plant. They are used in aromatherapy due to their aromatic qualities and abilities to affect moods positively. Essential oils are different from scented or fragrant oils, which are often mixtures of plant extract with synthetics like perfumes or artificial fragrances. These plant extracts can affect a person's mood or health. It's amazing when you can smell a lemon essential oil or lavender, how it can change the way you think or feel. From a healing perspective, although science cannot prove the results, it can definitely be felt. For that reason, essential oils are gaining popularity in the market because of their therapeutic benefits. How do essential oils work? I believe as a healer, essential oils may help in ways we fully don't understand. However, this is the scientific explanation. Essential oils are natural aromatic liquids that are extracted from plants. They are used in aromatherapy and other complementary medicines. The molecules of the essential oil compounds are very small, and they can easily penetrate through the skin to the bloodstream. Since the compounds go straight into the bloodstream, they can be more effective for relaxation and anxiety and conditions like that. The molecules of the essential oil compound enter the bloodstream through the skin to produce a therapeutic effect on the mind and body. Some molecules may also be absorbed by inhalation or ingestion. How are essential oils used? Essential oils are natural plant-derived oils that have a variety of uses. Some common functions of essential oils include aromatherapy. Essential oils can be used to create a relaxing atmosphere by diffusing them in the air. Beauty and skincare. Essential oils can be used as an ingredient in beauty and skincare products such as soaps, lotions, and scrubs. Home care. Some essential oils can be used for cleaning or to freshen up your home. Cooking. Some essential oils can be added to foods for flavor and medical treatment. Some essential oils blends have been shown to provide relief from headaches, colds, allergies, and other medical conditions. Why are essential oils good? There is a long list of benefits that can come from using essential oils. They range from improving moods to reducing anxiety and depression. The most important thing to remember when using them is that they're not a cure of all and should be used with caution. There are many reasons why essential oils are so good to use in your life. You can use them as air fresheners, body lotions, or even to create a calming atmosphere in your home. Essential oils are also great for cooking and baking. This section really deserves a post by itself, but because I love them so much, below is a short list of benefits of essential oils. Improving mental clarity, relieving stress, boosting immune system, reducing inflammation, promoting healthy skin. From a natural healer's point of view, I have found essential oils can also help you feel grounded, balance meridians and chakras, cleanse room and living areas of negative energy, cleanse people of negative energy and connections, and rejuvenate a person's body and spirit. Conclusion. Aromatherapy and essential oils have been practiced and used for centuries to heal and treat and prevent various health conditions. If essential oils didn't help, I don't believe they would have been around and used for so long in so many different countries. Essential oils come from plants and a natural part of this earth. You can use them for so many reasons, including improving your mood, relieving pain, or promoting relaxation. If you haven't used them before, I highly recommend giving them a try. You may find yourself jumping on the essential oil train. Check out our website. We have a large variety of essential oils. If you have any questions, please email me. Although, if you're in my area in Melbourne, I can help you with samples to smell and try.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that essential oils journey. Even if you're a seasoned essential oils person, I hope you learned something new. Come join us on our website. We've got heaps of different varieties of essential oils for you. If you're in Melbourne, please email me. I'm a kinesiologist. I can muscle test you and find out which essential oils is best for you and what ones your body needs. Until next time.